We're in Outlook Web App 2019 as well as Office 365, and I'm going to show you how to set up automatic replies when you're out of the office. So while we're logged in as the user that you want to be logged in with, click on this little gear at the top right and click on Automatic Replies. And we've got several options here. We've got the Don't Send Automatic Replies or Send Automatic Replies, and we can choose the date. And we can also choose what message we would like to say as well. So let's go ahead and set this up where we're going to send the automatic replies, and we're going to choose certain dates, such as sending the replies only during this time period. Otherwise, it'll just send these automatic replies forever, and you may not want that. So let's say we're returning from vacation on this date at this time. We can also choose to block the calendar for this period, which is super useful. We can also choose to automatically decline new invitations for events so people can't add us to meetings that we're not going to be able to show up to. And we can decline and cancel my meetings during this period. So if we do have any meetings, it's going to automatically send off a cancellation saying that you're going to be out of town. So you put it on out of town. Please call me when I'm back. How's that? So once that's done, we can click OK. But before we do that, scroll down a little bit and you see Send Automatic Replies to all external senders. So the first option that we did was really for people just inside your organization. See, inside my organization. It's not going to be for people who send you emails from the outside. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this message and I'll also paste it into, there we go, into the external ones as well. Now I can also specify one additional thing, and that is, let's say I don't want to send that message to just anybody. That way everybody would know that I was out of town. That would send the wrong message. What we want to do is send replies only to people in my contact list. So if you're not in my contact list, you're not going to know that I'm out of town or whatever message I choose to send. Now that I'm good with both internal and external people sending me email, and only people that I trust, I can click OK. And now if anybody tries to email me, they will get that message. So that is how you set up automatic replies in Outlook Web App 2019 and Office 365.